So guys, this routine contains just 4 basic products that is going to be suitable for you from head to toe, okay? So if you're a student or a small salary earner, I do not expect you guys to use all your money in purchasing skincare products. That is why I'm making this particular video specially for you guys, okay? The first thing that you need is an exfoliating sponge or gloves, okay? This is the sample of the gloves. So if you know that your exfoliating gloves is already old, please go and throw it away. Why I mentioned exfoliating glove in this video is because I did not mention or include an exfoliating scrub, body scrub, because I know that exfoliating body scrubs now is expensive. So this exfoliating sponge is going to help exfoliate your skin and remove dead skin cells away from your skin. Now, dead skin cells, if they are still present in your skin, any lotion, any product used on your skin will not work perfectly well for you. Why? Because these dead skin cells are still present in your skin and they will prevent these products from working perfectly on your skin. So the essence of the exfoliating sponge or any product that is exfoliating is to remove dead skin cells away from your skin in order for products that you use to work effectively on your skin, okay? The next thing you need to get is your brightening soaps. These 2 brightening soaps on the screen is very good and affordable. So I have these 2 body brightening soaps that is very good and effective for your skin. It will help brighten your skin and also give you a brightened skin tone and complexion. Even if you don't have money for expensive products or expensive skincare products, you need to make sure that the ones you are purchasing with your money are effective. That is why I'm advising you guys to buy these 2 brightening soaps that are very, very effective and affordable as well too, okay? So make sure that when you want to purchase these soaps, make sure they are original, okay? Because there are a lot of fakes in the market now. Now, if you want to get this Asante papaya soap, there is a code on it that you're going to scan. So make sure that you scan this QR code on the Asante papaya soap. If you want to buy it, make sure there is a place where you can scan it because there are a lot of fakes in the market today. All right, now the next on our list is the body lotion. Get a body lotion that works for you. I would not advise anyone to use a bleaching cream, please. That is why I would advise you to use these lotions that are popped on the screen. All right, please, please, and please do not buy a bleaching cream. Do not buy a bleaching cream. You guys are destroying your skin. If you get this Asante papaya soap or this nano soap and your body lotion, guys, you are good to go. These lotions are going to brighten up your skin without bleaching you up, okay? Nivea Radiance and Beauty Lotion contains vitamin C and turmeric in it, and this lotion is not a lightening lotion, it is a brightening lotion, okay? So if you have a dry skin, you can use this lotion with your body oil, all right? But you buying a body oil is going to increase your budget. That is going to increase your money. So I would advise, instead of buying a body oil, that you should go for the Nivea Cocoa Nourishing Body Lotion, okay? That lotion is very good for dry skin as well. It's going to moisturize your skin for as long as you have the lotion on your skin, all right? Then for your face, you can get the Nano Face Cream or the Dr. Rachel Face Cream, okay? If you want to get the Nano Face Cream, make sure you get this Nano Face Cream I am showing you on the screen. On the screen, make sure you get the one that has the SPL in it, because if you do not get the one that doesn't have the SPL on it, it's not going to brighten up your skin. This Nano Face Cream and the Dr. Rachel Face Cream will help to get rid of dark spots. It will help to get rid of sunburns. It's going to brighten up your skin and give your skin this glow that you are looking for. So if you have dark spots, if you have pimples, if you have sunburn, this Nano Face Cream and the Dr. Rachel Face Cream is going to help to brighten up your skin, okay? Please, please, and please, if you want to use this Nano Face Cream, do not use it during the daytime. Use it at night. This is because this particular face cream contains actives that doesn't go well with sunlight. So in the morning, you can apply your Dr. Rachel Face Cream. At night, you can use your Nano Face Cream before you go to bed, okay? Now, the next product in this video today is our sunscreen. Now, this sunscreen is the most expensive product among all these products I just mentioned in this video. And this is because this sunscreen is a very good sunscreen. The name of this sunscreen is the Bio UV sunscreen. So if you want to use this sunscreen, make sure you apply it on your face, on your neck, and on the part of your body that is going to be exposed to sunlight. All right, now please and please always apply your sunscreen. Sunscreen is very good and important in your skincare. If you want to go under the sun or go out, always apply your sunscreen so that you will not be getting darker and saying that your products are not working for you. If you do not have money for this bio UV sunscreen, you can get the Dr. Rachel sunscreen. The Dr. Rachel sunscreen is around 4,000 or 4,500 or 5,000 naira, while the bio UV is 8,500 naira. So if you don't have 8,500 naira for the bio UV sunscreen, you can go for the Dr. Rachel sunscreen. It's affordable. But if you know that your skin tends to react easily with products or sensitive skin, I don't think this Dr. Rachel sunscreen will be good for you. It's best to just save up money and buy the bio UV sunscreen, okay? So these are the options you can go for as a student or a small salary earner or someone that is just trying to work on a budget, okay? Now, if you want to be able to repurchase your skincare products without having anything to worry about, or you're someone that tends to run out of skincare products because you do not have money for repurchasing, then I have a video for you. Just click on this link on the screen of this video. It will take you to that particular video. It's going to help you to repurchase your skincare without worrying about money, or when next you want to repurchase a skincare product, you will not be scared or whatever or worried. You'll be able to repurchase your skincare products like a pro. So if this video was quite helpful to you, please give this video a like, a share, subscribe. Subscription is totally free, okay? You don't have to pay any dime, okay? You liking this video is going to be able to encourage me and encourage my content, okay? If you have any comments, please ask me in the comment section and I will be pleased and glad to reply all your messages, okay? Thank you guys for watching this video to the very end. I love you guys so much. Bye and God bless. Mwah.